This is the Huawei Watch Fit 2. The Huawei Watch Fit 2 looks very similar to the previous version, coming with the same rectangular look accompanied by a single button on the side, and a slightly bigger 1.74 inches AMOLED display compared to the 1.64 inch on the older model. The display boasts a pixel density of 336 pixels, which comes out sharp and crispy in usage. When it comes to design, Huawei hasn't deviated much, using the same polymer material on the frame that gives similar look and feel to metal as the previous. Slowly but surely Huawei is enhancing Harmony OS, making it amongst the best smartwatches operating systems out there. The watch has simple touch controls and a single button to navigate menus and exiting applications. Navigating through the system is fast and the animations are smooth. The watch's applications menu looks similar to the one in Watch OS, though you can't download third-party apps. So if that's your thing, you'll need to look elsewhere. Even though this watch has a GPS sensor and a pedal maps application, you can only use it as a mirror of the pedal maps navigation from your phone. It's limited to showing simple directions and not the whole map. With close to 100 workout modes, this fitness watch lives up to its name. Huawei has equipped the Watch Fit 2 with all the fitness modes you could possibly need, along with heart rate and SPO2 sensors and GPS to offer real-time data monitoring. Huawei has also added a healthy living function that lets you add customizable goals, and the watch reminds you about these goals to help you keep on track. While coming in a small form factor compared to other smartwatches, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 has excellent battery life. Huawei claims the Watch Fit 2 battery lasts around 7 days under heavy use or 10 days under normal use, which we found to be true. While you'll get a plethora of fitness modes and health tracking sensors, you won't find support for third-party applications. However, the Huawei Watch Fit 2 isn't expensive, but you can find smartwatches from competitors that are noticeably cheaper. If you have gotten value from this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Tech 5 for more.